Nakailang testing kami bago nakuha yung tamang butas. Hi, this is Riz. Isa akong trainee dito sa Japan. Oops, wag niyo akong i-judge dahil sa trainee yung visa ko. So, going back, this is my first attempt. Inikot-ikot ko pa. Akala ko kasi kapag inikot mo, mas lalong lalaki yung butas. Pero ganito naman yung result.
Ay, dapat ako pang ano? Or ako, mura
Sus, galalis pa may kay wrong lang yung pagtuyok, pero sa butas talaga yon. Wrong hole. Tingnan natin yung isa. Epic fail talaga, kaya sinubukan namin na damihan yung butas. And here's the outcome.
You don't have to try so hard. You don't have to give it all away.
Epic fail pa rin, pero better than before. So this time, we decided na kumuha ng iba pang bottle, yung medyo malambot na bottle na mabilis siyang ma-squeeze, and then we're using pin na pangbutas. Hindi na kami gumamit ng alambre kanina kasi ang laki ng butas. At mas lalo naming dinamihan yung butas, pero malaki pa rin yung bottle na ginamit namin. And here's the result.
You don't have to try so hard. You don't have to give it all away. You don't have to try so hard. You don't have to give it all away. Like you. You don't have to try so hard. You don't have to give it all away.
O diba, medyo okay naman yung result, pero hindi pa kami satisfied, kaya sinubukan namin yung mas maliit na bottle.
Like you. You don't have to try so hard. You don't have to give it all away.
And finally, satisfied na kami sa outcome kasi nakailang take na kami. Akala ng tao, ang dali lang ng lahat. Pero hindi nila alam, nakailang take ka para makuha yung almost perfect. Ganon din sa totoong buhay. Nakikita nila yung success mo, pero hindi nila alam kung ilang beses kang nag-take ng risk. This is a reminder that in life, it's not about getting it right the first time. It's about not giving up after the first mistake.